What is up, guys? So this is gonna be a really different video. I'm actually in Puerto Rico right now. Believe it or not, it's a little bit different from what I usually shoot. But don't worry, we'll get some cars in this video, so it's not gonna be just all about a little vacation. Since Hurricane Maria, I haven't been back, and I figured, you know what, I'm back here and I'm just gonna hit up spots, and hopefully you guys can enjoy. And if you ever come to this island, you can hit these same spots as well. Right now, we gotta go to our car, get this car rental. It's 4 o'clock. We've been flying all day. We gotta do a one-stop, 4-hour layover. I mean, I thought it was gonna be Hyundai Accent, so this is a little bit better than a Hyundai Accent, I'll be honest with you. We're gonna go to this place called Piñones, which is actually the first location you should go to when you hop off the plane and like you're hungry. Because we have not ate. I mean, we had Starbucks, but that was like at what, 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning? I don't even know. Piñones is actually a little town, and there's a lot of restaurants in this area.
It's going.
I'm not talking. That's what I thought too. Alright, currently, oh my god. There you go. Currently, what I am eating is pizza, which I already went through the whole thing. It has a real garlic taste, and then just bathe it in barbecue. And then we also ordered balacao. What is it? Balacao? No.
Bacalao.
Bacalao. Oh my gosh, my bad. Alright guys, we finally made it after an hour of driving through these jungles. No, it was a really tough drive. Like if you don't know how to like pace yourself and know how to calm yourself down, you will panic a lot.
We're here.
We are here. This is what you kind of get alive in Puerto Rico. You get your random house on the side of the mountain and a beautiful view. And you know what's crazy is that this was all hit by Hurricane Maria. I'll see you guys tomorrow.